How to fix Instagram music story. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the story music easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and go to the apps, and then go to the apps manager, and here wait a few seconds, it will start loading this page. Now all what you have to do after that, just scroll down until you find Instagram. Click on it, click on this force stop option, and then go to the storage and wait a few seconds, it will start computing. And after that, click on this clear data option, and then click on clear cache and go back. And now all what you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.